At Amcrest, we believe that security should be for everyone. That's why we make everything we offer not only affordable, but painless to set up. There are things we all worry about. For example, did I forget to close the garage this morning? Are my kids home from school yet? Or maybe you're wondering what your little one is doing right now. There's a difference between hoping and knowing. When you don't have to worry, it's easier to focus on what's important. When you have the power to see things for yourself, you're in control. Believe us when we tell you, it's nice not to be in the dark. Amcrest. Simple, reliable, secure.
Hi, I'm Rich from Olympus, and today we're going to take a look at one of the most innovative and useful lenses we offer. The M.Zuiko 14 to 42mm EZ is a 3x retractable electronic zoom lens that provides an extended shooting range in an amazingly portable package. In fact, it's the world's most compact standard zoom lens in its collapsed state. The 14 to 42 EZ zoom has a 35mm equivalent focal length of 28 to 84mm. It measures less than 1 inch thick when retracted. It's the size of a standard prime, but gives you the versatility of a zoom. The lens automatically extends when you turn the camera on and then retracts when you power it off. And its two-step variable speed electronic zoom mechanism is fluid and consistent, which is particularly useful when you're shooting HD video. The key advantages of the 14 to 42 EZ is its portability. You can capture a broad range of images from wide-angle landscapes to portraits and architecture without lugging around multiple lenses. It's an awesome travel lens. And a compact camera like the OMD EM10 mounted with the 14 to 42 is small enough to even fit into your jacket pocket, so you're always ready for the next photo op. This is also an especially good lens for video. You can track moving subjects with the smooth 2-speed zoom, so there are no abrupt transitions as your distance from the action changes. And Olympus's unique MSC mechanism provides swift, nearly silent autofocus operation. The only thing you hear is the sound of the scene you're recording. And with Olympus's OI Share app, you can operate the lens zooming remotely from a smartphone or tablet. And we didn't forget the aesthetics. The 14 to 42 is styled to match the designs of both Pen and OMD cameras, and as such is available in black or silver color. The 14 to 42mm pancake zoom is a really compact and versatile lens you can use for everything from everyday snapshots to portraits to HD video. And because it's so portable, you'll find yourself taking it just about everywhere you go. It's just an excellent complement to any OMD or Pen body.